Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot without coding. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open up your Telegram, then search here for BotFather. Now click this bot right here, the first bot that you have. Then tap on start. Now click on this option right here, create a new bot. It will show you this message. Just choose a name for your bot. I'm gonna name it Faker, for example. Click on enter, send it. Now it's asking you to make someone like this name right here. This is like the username for your bot. I'm gonna type Faker underscore bot, for example, or you can simply remove the underscore and make this be capital. Click on enter. It says that this username is already taken, so I'm gonna add some numbers, for example, underscore then bot. And now here, as you can see, it says that congratulations on your new bot. Now what I want you to do is to simply take this HTTP API code, double click on it, and it will be copied. Now after copying this code, go to the search bar and search for MenuBuilder bot. So now click on this one exactly with the same username and the same logo right here. Then it will show you this message right here, and make sure this bot shows you this message exactly. Then tap on start down below, and now you can choose whatever language you want. I'm gonna choose here for this tutorial English. Now click on manage bots, then choose add menu bot. Now I want you to paste the code that we have copied before. Ctrl V, then click on enter again. As you can see right now, it's adding the new bot. Now after seeing this message right here, bot successfully started, what I want you to do is to simply click on the username of your bot. Click on it, then it will show you this blank page right here. Tap on start, then choose admin. After that, go down till you find message for start. Tap on it. Then what you should do right now is to simply type a message that you want. So I'm gonna type hi, for example. Then I'm gonna click on enter, click on save message. Now click on exit admin, then choose buttons editor. Now in order to create the first button, you should click on add button. Then you can simply name the button that you are going to put. So I'm gonna name this button menu, for example. Enter. Then as you can see right now, you have first button. You can also add other buttons, or you can simply put more modifications or more options inside this button right here inside this menu. So I'm gonna click on posts editor. Now as you can see right now, I'm editing inside the menu button. So I'm gonna click on add message, for example, and now I can send or upload a PDF file or even a link. So for example, I'm gonna upload a PDF right here. Let's upload these two PDFs, for example. Click on send. Okay, I've just deleted one just in order to make the upload faster. Now as you can see, it added this PDF right here, and you can also add message by click on send forward and send forward from other chats that you have on Telegram itself, or you can even send a link, as I said. Now after that, go back and click on stop editor. Now let's say that you want to add a question to your button or to your menu. Just tap on buttons editor, then click on menu, tap on it, and make sure that these two signs right here are surrounding the name of the button. Then click on posts editor, then choose menu, then click on add question. Now add the question that you want, but you should choose what type of answer question. Is it single, multi, or choose one answer question? So I'm gonna click on single answer question, for example. Then I'm gonna type which PDF do you want, just for example. Then click on enter, and after that click on stop editor, and here we go, we have our bot. Now what are we gonna do is to simply test our bot. So I'm gonna copy this username of my bot, then I'm gonna click on cancel, then I will go back. And now as you can see, you will find out that the bot is in the top of your chats. Now I'm gonna test it. If you want to add more questions or more buttons, you can do the same steps till you get your satisfying results. So now let's test our bot. I'm gonna click on menu, then it will ask me which PDF do you want. So I'm gonna type here, for example, the final PDF, then click on enter. Now this is a new answer on this question, and by this way you can simply add new PDFs or new links or new content according to the new answers you get, and that's how you actually can organize your bot. So I'm gonna click on notify so that the bot now can notify me that someone searched for this type of PDF, and you can also ban the user if he asks something that is illegal or something, or you can even ask him more to know about his request. So I'm gonna click on notify, for example, just in order to remind myself that I have to add the final PDF. And that's all for today, guys. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.